puss. I want to pet you. Puss, puss, puss. Hey, good cat. Oh, that's a good kitty. Okay, viewers, let's give this thing a good wash and a scrub. It was filthy. Yeah, there's our pinouts. Ground on off. Signal from the standby. DEG, ABN, ground. Standby 12 volts ground. Standby 2 and 5 volts ground. SVDC and signal ground. B plus, no connection ground. Ground at 67.5 volts. Quite small wiring to run such a large TV. I'll have to connect the degaussing coil or something similar resistance across those two, because this thermistor loads up, degausses the screen, then we'll let power to run the TV normally. So something like a W degaussing coil under that, and that allows power to go through that capacitor to the rest of the circuit. Isolation there on the high mains voltage side to the low voltage switching side, secondary. 6 amp bridge rectifier. These sorts of power supplies are useful for these things. Switching transistor, I think that one goes in there and drives that winding in the transformer. And that winding there, it must be one of the main primary windings. 2 little ones there. They've got 3.5, 6.6 volts, 16 volts, signal ground, 67.5 volts. I've got some useful voltage there. And that goes into this little device here, which shows some sort of diode of some description. SLA1002. I think that's a 2, yeah. Or 3. It's got bloody elastic on it. The first and the second 2002. Yeah, it seems pretty dry now. I think it's safe to power it up. A bit wet there though. Yeah, I'll let it go a little bit longer. Let it dry out more. Anyway, I've got a fellow collector of radar meters, forgot his name. He asked, he's not too sure how to wire these up, whether or not they'll run at actual 240 volts. Well, I'll just get one of my WF3S's out to show you. Okay, first off, how to connect it. It's active in, neutral out, and phase out. So your brown, blue, brown. Active in, power point goes in there, load out to a power point outwards to your, wherever you want to plug into it. And these will only run at full 240 volts. You can, well, I use the Variac. They will run at lower voltages, but it's actually designed to run properly at 240 volts, so properly meter a load. So 10 to 60 amps, 2 wire, 240 volt, 50 hertz, 1 phase, 400 volts per kilowatt hour. And always run it upright on a level metering board such as that one. That way you don't have the bearing and that load wheel offset, and it could upset the reading and off balance the load wheel and cause a bit of error in the reading. So always have it mounted nice and straight on a level surface metering board like that. So that goes in there, goes in, active in, neutral out, phase out to a power point, just like that. I'll try and I'll just do a quick wire up on the bench just to show you in exact detail here. You did say you're a noob there, a newbie at this sort of stuff, so I'll see if I can do a detailed thing on my metering board. It's all plugged in, active in, neutral out, active out. You see there, MM main, LL load. Power point there. Here's our load. Very small movement on that disc. This thing's not under any load. There we are. Yep, the disc moved. Yeah, it's just old wiring anyway. There we are. That's it. That's all there is to it. Unplug safety first. Make yourself a metering board such as something like this. Make sure it's all level, and you're good to go. And make sure you connect the earth. Always connect your earths. Safety first. But this is just a quick test for you. So that's how it connects up. And if it's got a terminal cover, that'll also have the diagram inside how it wires up. Such, for example, the 3-phase ones. So this is a 4-wire, 3-phase 4-wire. There's a diagram in there. Most meters will have a diagram inside the terminal cover. If yours has a terminal cover, it should have a diagram in there. But that's how these meters wire up. Quite easy. So unplug that. Safety first. There we are. Hope that helps you. Thanks for watching.